Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette, and today, horrible winter day, I have this piece of wood. Let me show you. I'm trying to find a measuring tape to double check for you, but I'm in Mr. B cabin, not in my she shed. I don't know where he keeps his things. Anyway, I have measured, as you can see, it's an old plank. He was already here in the house, in the shed. My plan is to make a console table for the entrance hall. So this has been cut to the size I want, what is the whole wall of the entrance. The other day on Marketplace I bought a table for £15. I actually didn't want the little table. They're quite fashionable at the moment, really nice, but that's not what I want. I want more of an industrial look. So I got the table and it had these legs. So they call them hairpin legs. I researched online. The cheapest I could get was a set of 4 for £30. I didn't want to spend the £30, so I bought the table on Marketplace just up the road from me for £15. I don't need the top. I'm saving it. I may be able to use it for something else. It's actually quite nice. I could probably hang it on the wall as a piece of artwork because it's that type of stuff. But anyway, the plan was for these hairpin legs. I have 4 of them. I'm going to use 2. I'm saving the other 2 for whatever I need. So the plan is for today. This is very rough. I mean, I like it rough, but this is way too rough. So I'm going to sand it all down, make it nice and smooth-ish. And then I will varnish with matte varnish just to seal the wood. And then we're going to install it. Let's get on with it. So I moved to this sander because for some reason the big gun not really working the way I would like to. So I'm using my little sander. Seems to be doing a better job. Okay, so what we are trying to do here, because I'm reusing these legs, okay, I don't know if you can see, but they have a slant in it, and I don't want the slant. I want the legs to be dead straight to the same level as the console table. So Mr. B came up with the idea that if we chisel out a little bit of the wood, now when we put the leg on, we literally just go straight. Let me bring you closer so that you can see. Okay, so this is the idea, because we took a bit out. Now when we put the leg is now straight. See, it's just about working with what we have to achieve the look we want. And now Mr. B will fit the screws on.
Screws in. course, this one's only got 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Voila.
So I'm back inside the house because it's very cold outside. That's the plank for the console table. I'm finding it very colorless. So I have no stain left because I used the rest the other day on another project. But I remembered I have used a technique I found on Pinterest a couple of years ago to stain a wood palette. So I want to show you guys. So I have some wire wool in here. I cut it in bits, put inside, and I'm going to use distilled vinegar, okay, white vinegar basically. It's white vinegar, and I'm just going to put inside, and I'm going to leave it for a day or two. So this technique, it really works, okay? This is wood stain, very, very cheap wood stain. So I'm just going to leave that like so to rest for a day or two. The longer you leave it, the darker will be the stain, okay? Afterwards, I'll just brush with a brush or use the wire wool inside to stain the wood. So my mix have been sitting for 24 hours now. So I have started to stain. Let me show you. So that is the natural color when I sanded it down yesterday, and I have started to brush in here now. So this is the end result. He has a beautiful color now. He actually took me 3 coats of the stain, and that's because I only had it for 24 hours. The longer you leave it, the darker it gets. And if I turn the table around for you guys to see, you can clearly see there. He bled there, but I'm not worried about it because it will be against the wall. But as you can see, that's how I started, this color, and now it darkened. So this is a good tip for you guys. I also given 2 coats of varnish. I bought this tin in B&M, very good price. It's a good brand. So I gave 1 coat last night about 11 o'clock in the evening, as you do, and I gave another one this morning, and now we're going to install it. So the next step now, I have this little bracket. Let's see if I can show you better. This little bracket, I had it in my box of tricks, more or less in the center, and I'm going to bring it right to the edge. And I'm going to put a screw it. So what we'll do now, we put it against the wall where it's going to stay, and then just mark and drill and put a plug, and then just drill through, because he only has 2 legs in the front. It's just to make sure that it stays in place and it is safe. Let's install it. So that's it. It's in place now. I'm really pleased with the result. All is left to do now is to decorate. I want to keep it quite simple because our household is a very busy household. There's always people in and out all the time. So I hope you enjoyed the video and my upcycling series. Cost us £20, £25. I've seen them online for way more than that, and it's quite a long one. So I'm really pleased. I have wanted one of these tables for a very long time. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's completely free. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.